Is this the end of plastic as we know it? We're surrounded by it, from phones to packaging. Its durability is both a blessing and a curse, lingering for centuries and polluting our planet. We've produced more plastic in the last decade than in the entire 20th century, much of it single-use. The conversation is shifting from managing waste to eliminating it at the source with new materials. Let's explore 7 biodegradable options changing the game. First up, plant-based plastics, or bioplastics, are gaining significant traction as a sustainable alternative to conventional plastics. As the world becomes more aware of the environmental impact of petroleum-based materials, industries and consumers alike are searching for greener solutions. These innovative polymers are made from renewable sources like cornstarch and sugarcane, rather than relying on finite fossil fuels. By using crops that can be regrown each season, bioplastics offer a more sustainable supply chain. Scientists extract and ferment plant sugars to produce polylactic acid, or PLA, a versatile bioplastic. Through advanced biotechnology, these sugars are converted into a material that can be molded into everything from packaging to utensils. Unlike traditional petroleum-based plastics, PLA is specifically designed to break down under industrial composting conditions, reducing long-term waste in landfills. This creates a circular system, where used products can be transformed into nutrient-rich compost, closing the loop and supporting soil health. However, the system only works if composting facilities are available and consumers know how to dispose of these items correctly. Education and infrastructure are key to making bioplastics truly effective. Growing plants for bioplastics can also help capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, offsetting some of the emissions created during manufacturing and contributing to climate change mitigation. However, using food crops for plastic production raises concerns about global food security, as it could compete with resources needed to feed people. To address this, researchers are exploring non-food sources like switchgrass and agricultural waste, which don't compete with food supplies and can thrive on marginal land. Early bioplastics struggled with heat resistance and durability, limiting their use in certain applications, but thanks to ongoing research, these limitations are being overcome. New formulations and blends are making bioplastics stronger, more flexible, and suitable for a wider range of products, from food packaging to electronics casings. Plant-based plastics offer a renewable, responsible disposal pathway, helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and minimize plastic pollution. While challenges remain, the potential for innovation in this field is massive, with new products and applications emerging every year. Plant-based plastics are already one of the most developed alternatives to conventional plastics, and the pace of innovation continues to accelerate. The ultimate goal is to create high-performance materials that don't compete with our food supply, ensuring both environmental and social sustainability. Bioplastics represent a major shift in both sourcing and disposal, offering a glimpse into a future where plastics are part of a sustainable, circular economy. With continued research and collaboration, plant-based plastics could play a crucial role in reducing plastic waste and building a cleaner, greener planet for future generations. Next, let's explore mushroom packaging, a revolutionary material made using mycelium, which is the intricate root structure of fungi. This natural network acts as a living glue, binding together organic matter in a way that's both strong and sustainable. Companies start with agricultural waste, like corn husks or sawdust, and inoculate it with mycelium spores. This mixture is then carefully blended, creating the perfect environment for the mycelium to thrive and grow. The mycelium-infused mixture is packed into custom molds, where it grows over several days. As it spreads, the mycelium forms a dense, solid matrix that takes the exact shape of the mold, creating packaging tailored for specific products. This low-energy, natural process results in a material that's not only strong and lightweight, but also shock-absorbing, making it ideal for protecting fragile goods during shipping. Unlike traditional styrofoam, mycelium packaging is fully home compostable. It breaks down in about 45 days, returning valuable nutrients to the soil without leaving behind any toxic residue. Major companies like IKEA and Dell have already started using mushroom packaging to protect their fragile items, helping to reduce plastic waste on a global scale. It's designed as a one-to-one replacement for styrofoam, offering the same protective qualities but with a much smaller environmental footprint. Production does take several days, and currently it's a bit more expensive than conventional options. However, as the technology advances and scales up, costs are expected to decrease significantly. While mycelium packaging isn't transparent or food safe yet, it's perfect for protective packaging, especially for electronics and other delicate goods. The potential is enormous, turning low-value agricultural waste into high-value, eco-friendly products that can replace plastics in many industries. This is a true example of the circular economy in action, where waste is upcycled and nature is a partner in the manufacturing process. Mushroom packaging demonstrates that by working with nature, we can create innovative materials that are both practical and sustainable. It's a game changer for sustainable packaging, offering a real alternative to single-use plastics and foams. As the technology continues to scale up, production becomes more efficient, and costs continue to drop, making it accessible to more companies worldwide. This closed-loop system is a perfect example of how we can rethink waste and create a more sustainable future. Mushroom packaging is leading the way as a sustainable, innovative alternative to styrofoam, showing us what's possible when we harness the power of nature. Let's talk about edible cutlery, a fun and innovative solution to the growing problem of single-use plastic. Every year, billions of plastic utensils are thrown away after just one use, clogging landfills and polluting our environment. Edible cutlery offers a creative way to tackle this issue, while adding a unique twist to our dining experience. Made from wholesome grains like sorghum and rice, these utensils are carefully baked into sturdy, functional shapes. The process involves milling the grains into flour, mixing them with water and natural flavors, and then molding and baking them to perfection. They need to be strong enough to handle hot foods and liquids, yet still palatable and enjoyable to eat afterward. This balance of durability and taste is what makes edible cutlery so impressive. Available in a variety of flavors like black pepper, ginger garlic, and even sweet options, they can actually complement the taste of your meal, making the dining experience more enjoyable and interactive. If you choose not to eat them, these utensils decompose naturally in just a few days, unlike plastic, which can take hundreds of years to break down. This makes them a truly eco-friendly alternative. Perfect for food trucks, outdoor festivals, picnics, and cafeterias, edible cutlery eliminates the need for disposable plastic utensils and helps reduce overall waste at large gatherings. Designed to stay firm in hot liquids for 20 to 30 minutes, they're strong enough for scooping soup or stirring coffee, and won't get soggy or fall apart before you're done eating. While cost and production scale are still hurdles, manufacturers are working hard to make edible cutlery more affordable. As demand grows and production increases, prices are expected to drop, making them accessible to more people. Gluten-free versions are also being developed, ensuring that people with dietary restrictions can enjoy these sustainable utensils as well. Edible cutlery offers a novel and memorable experience, turning what would be waste into a tasty part of the meal. It's a conversation starter and a fun way to engage with sustainability. It's a true zero-waste solution, dramatically reducing the amount of single-use plastic waste that ends up in our landfills and oceans. The engineering and food science behind edible cutlery are impressive, achieving both structural integrity and appealing taste in every piece. By choosing edible cutlery over plastic, we take a simple but meaningful step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Edible cutlery is a brilliant, innovative idea that combines creativity, sustainability, and practicality. It's a delicious vision for a future with less plastic waste, where our utensils are as enjoyable as the food we eat. The potential for reducing plastic waste is significant, especially if more people and businesses make the switch. It's a powerful message for more responsible products and a call to action for a cleaner planet. Edible cutlery is a step towards a sustainable future, one bite at a time. It's a fun, practical, and delicious solution to the plastic waste crisis. The technology is improving rapidly, making edible cutlery more accessible and appealing every day. Edible cutlery is a delicious, sustainable way to reduce waste and rethink the future of dining. Seaweed packaging is an exciting area of material science. Seaweed grows fast, doesn't need fresh water, and absorbs carbon dioxide. Innovators use alginate from seaweed to create packaging materials. Edible water blobs and pouches are popular applications. Seaweed packaging eliminates plastic waste at events. It can create sachets for sauces and condiments, dissolving on contact. Seaweed film replaces plastic wrappers, compostable in weeks. Seaweed farming supports marine life and coastal communities. Challenges include moisture sensitivity and production costs. Seaweed packaging offers a glimpse into a sustainable future. It's a regenerative ocean economy solution. Paper-based bottles offer a new take on beverage packaging. Made from renewable paper pulp, they reduce plastic use. The challenge is creating a liquid barrier inside the paper shell. Some use recycled plastic liners, reducing total plastic. The goal is a 100% plastic-free bottle with biodegradable coatings. Major brands are testing these bottles, accelerating innovation. Paper bottles are recyclable in existing streams. Unlike plastic, if littered, they biodegrade in months, not centuries. The fully bio-based liner is the ultimate target. Paper bottles rethink one of the most common plastic items. The progress is promising, with environmental benefits. It's a serious effort to reduce plastic pollution. The technology is advancing, improving functionality. Paper bottles represent a shift towards sustainable packaging. Biodegradable bags address plastic pollution. OXO biodegradable bags break into microplastics, worsening pollution. Compostable bags made from plant starches fully biodegrade. Certified compostable bags break down in industrial facilities. Some are home compostable, used for organic waste collection. Proper disposal is key. Landfills hinder biodegradation. Compostable bags offer a circular, regenerative system. They reduce single-use plastic bag waste. Consumer education and composting access are critical. Compostable bags are a fantastic alternative. They are made from renewable resources. The potential for reducing plastic waste is significant. It's important to understand the science behind them. Palm leaves tableware is a simple, effective solution. Made from fallen areca palm leaves, it's a natural waste product. The process is chemical-free, using heat to shape the leaves. Each piece is unique, with a natural wood-like grain. Sturdier than paper plates, they handle hot and oily foods. Microwave safe, they provide a premium feel. Biodegradable and compostable, they return to soil in 60 to 90 days. The industry supports rural communities, creating jobs. More expensive than plastic, but popularity is growing. Palm leaf tableware is a sustainable alternative. It requires minimal processing and uses no chemicals. It's a beautiful, functional product from a natural waste stream. The social and environmental impact is positive. It's a step up from basic paper plates. Palm leaf tableware is a brilliant solution. It proves the value of looking at nature with fresh eyes. 7 innovations challenge our reliance on plastic. The future of materials is about a sustainable ecosystem. Designing products for their life cycle is key. The transition from single-use plastic is underway. Supporting these innovations accelerates change. It's about protecting our planet and moving towards a circular economy. Which alternative would you try first? Let us know.